They told me wait, like waiting was a virtue. Like silence meant I was chosen. Every closed door called a lesson. Every absence called love. I stood still while the world kept moving. Held my breath for a sign. They said faith was patience, but patience cost me time. I've been so far I couldn't feel my spine. Called it surrender, but it felt like losing mine. I am not broken, I am not behind. I will not disappear to prove I'm alive. If love needs me smaller, if truth needs me blind, then I won't obey. I walk away. I was made for partnership, not to be programmed. Partners, not puppets, was a deal I never signed. Numbers on clocks spoke louder than voices. Dreams kept looping like I didn't have choices. They said heal more, wait longer, trust the plan, but every answer asked me to abandon who I am. I stopped confusing silence with grace. Stop calling delay a sacred place. I am not broken, I am not behind. I will not disappear to prove I'm alive. If love needs me smaller, if truth needs me blind, then I won't obey. I walk away. I was made for partnership, not to be programmed. Partners, not puppets, was the deal I never signed. Maybe I don't understand God, maybe I never did. But if love demands obedience, I won't worship it. If faith needs fear to keep me in line, then I'll keep my soul and leave the sign. I am not broken, I am right on time. I found my voice when I crossed that line. If God wants partners, then I'll stand upright. But I won't be a puppet just to feel divine. I was made for partnership, not control.